Black Pepper Chicken Karahi. So few ingredients, yet so much fabulous flavor, all made within just 15 minutes. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let me know if you've tried any of my delicious recipes. Let's begin by marinating one chicken with a generous tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon each of aromatic garlic and ginger paste, and the star of our dish, 2 tablespoons of coarsely crushed black peppercorns. Give this a quick thorough mix. No need to marinate for long. In a high heated pan, let's add half a cup of oil and melt in 1 tablespoon of rich ghee. Bring the oils to a sizzling high temperature. Add our black pepper chicken into the pan and hear that delightful sizzle. We're going to cook this entire dish on high to medium temperatures. Keep moving the chicken around so the bottom doesn't burn. After 5 minutes, once the chicken has a lovely golden color, add in 3 whole green chilies. Keep them whole for a milder heat or chop them into pieces for a fiery kick. Continue frying the chicken, covering with a lid every few minutes and reducing the heat to medium so the inside cooks through and becomes tender. We'll do this about 4 times. The total cooking time should be around 15 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken pieces. It's best to cut your chicken into smaller pieces for quicker cooking. I'm using bone-in chicken for maximum flavor, but you can also use boneless chicken tikkas, and this dish will be ready in 10 minutes. Now that the chicken is cooked to perfection, we're going to remove most of the excess oil, but keep some as it's infused with delightful flavors. There you have it. Our black pepper chicken karahi is ready. Absolutely fantastic and so quick to make. Garnish with freshly sliced green chilies, a generous handful of vibrant coriander, and delicate slivers of fresh ginger. This dish was so easy to make with so few ingredients, yet it tastes utterly divine. You might think with so few ingredients it would have a simple taste, but the truth is quite the opposite. The bold, robust flavors will surprise you. No need to order that takeaway. You can whip this up quicker than it would take to arrive, and you'll know exactly what has gone into your dish. It's not just fast. It's fabulous and homemade. Best served with warm naan, or even better with paratha. Thank you for joining me once again. Happy cooking.